Dumelang sanibonani absheni igama lami nguSlim. Welcome to another episode of Something Music. Before I start the show bafethu, I'd like to apologize to all my fans, to all the people who supports me and the ones who's going to come and support me in the future. Let me apologize about last week's episode. This episode was supposed to air last week, but then due to unforeseen circumstances, I have to be in like 5 places at once. So family matters, I had to be there. I had to be in Sasolburg, I had to be in Mpumalanga, I had to be in Siabuswa, I had to be in Gwamhlanga. So it was a whole lot of things that was happening, you know. So nami ngivulile inhliziyo izinto zazenzakalela. So I hope you forgive me since I'm a one-man show. Like it's me, the presenter, it's me, the cameraman, it's me, the editor, you know. So it's me, the producer. So I'm hoping that one day there's going to be 5 cameramans and there's going to be a producer, there's going to be a director, you know, those kind of things. We're praying for that day. Asivula inhliziyo, you know, bantu abahle. But then asiqale le show ke. But ke uyazi our area code is umhlaba wonke jikelele. You know, this is Slim So Deep. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share to your friends, whatever that I said, share it to your friends. So that is izogcwala umhlaba wonke jikelele. That is our slogan. I've listened to Ngomoya. I think that's my favorite album for this year. Thank you very much, Pori and Next Up, for releasing that album. You dropped the album. And then there's another one, Ya Strata, Ya Speakera, which we call it Rough Dance. Well, I'm going to start with Ngomoya. Ngomoya, I love it. All the 29 songs, I listened to all of them. And I repeated them. It took me about 3 hours to listen to those songs. And I would say 6 hours. I know this album is just a masterpiece on its own. It's going to stay there forever. The sounds that they use, they are so futuristic. This is what we call a catch-up album. Let me not be the sweet talker of the album or trying to promote the album, because that's not what we do. You know, we just rate and then we move on. So, well done, Pori. Well done, X-Dapi. The Slim favorite songs, track 17. The name of the song is Sweetie. It's featuring Daluong and Kabelo Sings. And my second song on the very same album will be Umusa. It's produced and beat made by Upori, X-Dapi, and Upila Dlozi. Now the time has come for me to rate the album. Pori, X-Dapi, Ngomoya, I give it a 9. And another thing that I want to tell you is that Thatohatsi is going to be a problem. Vocalists are not going to rest. She's going to be a problem into Amapiano scene. If she keeps her focus and keeps stretching the way she stretches herself, she's going to be a problem. Let's go now to the Speakera. Speakera, the album is called Rough Dance. It consists of 13 songs. If we minus Pirimarung, the Pirimarung remix, I don't know what's happening there because there's a Pirimarung remix. It's supposed to be 14 songs, but then it's 13 songs. Kimutulis Bigar, Wantol. There's a tautology there. There's a broken disc somehow. Wantol. Foka played his part. I like what he did. My personal favorite song will be track 10. Weekend featuring Scott, Limek, EQ, Lastborn, Uncle MC. For me, Nangzo Rata 5, Rough Dance. It was not so futuristic. It was not holding me. You listen and skip, listen and skip. And then we move on to the latest one, Makazi Entertainment. I'm happy to see Makazi that she's standing on her own. I love that. She dropped an album that calls Win. Win is a Win. It consists of 8 songs. I've listened to the album. Trust me when I say I listen to these albums. Beautiful album. I like the artwork. Actually, when I saw the artwork, I was drawn to listen to the album. Track 4, Mashudu. Dope song. I love it. The bass line. Yo. I just want to know who's that guy who made the song. The bass line on the Mashudu track. Track number 7, Saka. Brilliant song. I love it. Also, the bass line there, it caught me. I love it. However, the overall album, 1 to 8 songs, I will rate it 5. Fambela Queen. 3-step. I know that people have been saying 3-step have been gate kept. Umeda. We know him from Black Motion. He doesn't need any introduction. So, yeah. So, Moda dropped a Asante 3, 15 tracks. My favorite tracks on that, it's track 13 called Zololami. Yo. Nkos. Aye. That song alone, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. The song alone, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Mother, well done there. And then there's a track also that caught me, track 10. Track 10 is called Suguma. Like I understand, like a speaker, strata, and it features Utaxin, no Mpegizozo, Upexin Terris, Mpegizozo, will hit SA by storm. That's a beautiful song. Meda, do not sleep on that song. I also give that song a 10. Rate the entire album. The entire album for me now it's a 4 for effort. Because I listened to Asante 1, 2, 3. I haven't heard a deep house in such a long time. And I came across The Gift and Brendan Lulu. They dropped a Love EP2. I listened to a Love EP1. I loved it. But if one asked me to go and rate it, I'll rate it. But Love EP2, man, damn. I'll rate that a 9. Yo, I've never had, when we were listening to a deep house back then, we would listen to Abu Osunlade, would listen to Abu Louis Vega, would listen to Kenny Dope, would listen to Abu Rocco, abantu abashayina behambayo. So, but when I listen to this, The Gift and Brendan Lulu, and my favorite tracks on that album that consist, the track is called Pagate. Yo. And it just reminds me of my friend Upagate. So, yeah, Pagate is featuring Zama Kumalo. It's a beautiful song. Listen to that song. And then track 2, it's... since I'm from Mpumalanga, it calls Tinyembeti Dami. That's the name of the song. You listen to that song and you just get lost into it. Yes, that album I rated 9. Big up to The Gift, Brendan Lulu. Your album is rated at 9, Bafetu. Big up the good work. We're jumping to the next one. We had so much music that was released. We've got a single that was released by Usan El Musician and Msaki with Kaenda Soul. I will rate that one 8. Please go to listen to that. It's an Afrotech song. Timeless music for this week is going to be Udem Tuda Angelic Shesha. No one can deny Shesha Geza. The plug of the week, Mapara Ajez. They released a single which is good for wedding. I love it. It's taken from Mafiki Zolo. It says Umuntu Wami. So it's taken from Ukoko Tandayo. I like how they merged that together and came up with a good song. So that's a plug of the day. But then from Gimme, Uslim So Deep. So bengisacela ukuyivala lento. Siyabonga abantu abahle.